Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we've been drawing a chibi Umbreon. To start, we're going to draw in the two big eyes. We're going to go on the left and draw an oval for the first eye. And make sure to add a little highlight, a little area for color, and then just color in the rest black. With the first eye done, we're going to repeat that on the other side just a little to the left. Once your two eyes are done, let's draw in a little triangular nose right in the middle around here. Let's give him a little cute expression like so. When your eyes are done, let's draw a straw in the head. So we're going to start from the left eye and go all the way to the right over here. And let's give it a little bit of height just around here. So with these three dots, we're going to curve it and draw in the top of the head. So just connecting the dots, go curve and draw in the head shape. And we go down to around here, so we're going to give him a little cute chubby cheek. And let's go down to connect to there. And that's going to be the bottom of the head. Umbreon has this cool detail right in the center of his head, which is a giant oval, so we're going to add that in. Just a big oval, and let's just draw another one right in between. With that done, let's draw in the big ears. Umbreon has these cool ears, so we're just going to start from here, go up, curve, go back down for the first ear, and we repeat the same thing on this side. Go up, curve, going back right down to the head. And let's add in the yellow band right around here. First yellow band, and second yellow band. With the head complete, let's just draw in the body of the chibi Umbreon. We're going to start from the middle of the eye right around here, going back down. And we're going to draw in the little leg. So we're going to just draw in a curve like this. And then we're going to draw in the first toe, second toe, third toe. And with the toes done, we're going to complete it by drawing the leg in. And this foot is facing towards us, so we're just going to draw in the back of the foot, in the thigh area, in the butt area, which is just a simple line. On the other side, we're going to repeat the same thing. We're going to add the thigh in, the bottom of the thigh, and to reverse it, we're going to go up first, and then finally draw in the three toes. So you have a left foot and a right foot, and let's just go back up the belly, right around here. I'm going to add in the little arm raise just because he's just waving at us, really cute. And let's just draw in a little bit of detail for the ring. You notice that we didn't complete the head on this side, so we can complete that now. Starting from here, we're just going to connect it to the body, like so. And we are missing the other arm, so we're just going to draw it downwards this time, like so. And let's just add in one ring right here. And he has some rings on his legs too, so we're just going to add those in. One right here. And another one right here. With the body done and the face done, let's just draw in the tail. We're going to do it on the left side. So starting from the thigh, we're going to go really big. We're going to go all the way up to here. So curve. All the way up. We're going to curve back down, and we're going to make the tail really big and fluffy. So we're going to go from the bottom up and then connect it to here. Give him a nice big fluffy tail, and let's just add in the final ring, which is just going to be two bands on this side. And I think our drawing is complete. We just need to add some color to make him feel more alive. And there you have it, a chibi Umbreon. If you have any suggestions for other Pokemon to draw, please leave it in the comments down below. If you liked the video, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.